Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we're looking at a Maytag freestanding electric oven. We're going to be showing you how to replace a couple components that are located inside the console of the unit. To do so, you must gain access to the back of the unit. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Tools you will need for this repair is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and a tack puller. Now that you have unplugged the unit and gained access to the back, first we'll need to remove the plate here. This covers your terminal block as well as wiring. There are 2 screws that hold it in. Push down and pull out. Now that we have the bottom panel removed, there are 5 screws that hold on the top panel. Once you remove these, just be very careful. The metal is extremely sharp. Grab it and set it aside. Before you remove your last one, put pressure on the plate so it doesn't fall. Grab it from the bottom, slide out. Now with our back panel removed, we now have access to our infinite switches. Today we're going to be replacing the right front infinite switch. Some of the reasons why you would replace an infinite switch is maybe it's burned up. I've come to quite a few of these where I've taken the back panel off and you'll see burn marks, whether it's here or here, where it's actually kind of caught flame, where the wires have melted a little bit. Maybe your element is staying on high power all the time. Also a very, very common symptom that you have a bad infinite switch. As long as your continuity tests okay on the burner, you'll probably need to replace the infinite switch. To do so, first remove your knob. There are 2 screws. They're going to be holding on the infinite switch. Both are Phillips head screws. Set them aside. Pull out your infinite switch. These wiring harnesses can be difficult to remove, so I like to use something to kind of pry them up, but if you don't have anything, you can generally do it with a little bit of force. There we go. Next, remove your other wiring harness. And it came off a heck of a lot easier. Set your bad infinite switch aside. When installing your infinite switch, remember the position it was when you removed it. These slots are pointing up. Now, you'll put in the wiring harness. They can be slightly tight. You'll notice that it is slotted on the wiring harness as well. It corresponds to the infinite switch spots. Slide it in, make sure it's tight. We'll do the other side. Slide that in. Next, position it back in the front. Hold it while you hand tighten your screws here. Just kind of get them in place. Tighten them up. Reattach your knob. Now we can reinstall the back panel. Line your top panel up again. The middle will slide in. Put 1 screw in and tighten it. Line up. Put the other screw in on the other side just to hold it up. Now replace the other perimeter screws. Now we can reinstall the bottom plate. Line up your bottom plate. You'll notice that these kind of got a ledge where it basically pushes in these slots and lifts up. So align both sides in the designated slots. Slide up. Replace your screws. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.